Hi universe, I'm AG, let's go ahead. What are disjoint sets? If A and B have no common elements, it is said that they are disjoint each other. Considering these three sets, A, B, and C, evaluate as true or false the following sentences. A and B are not disjoint, true or false? That is false. A and B have no common elements. Another one. A and C are disjoint. True or false? True. A and C have no common elements. The last one. B and C are disjoint. True or false? False. B and C have two common elements. Now let's see how we construct Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are a nice graphics way to represent a relation between sets. When multiple sets are not disjoint, they have a common area like this. Let's suppose you have three groups. Iron-made useful and useless things with two categories, things on the desk and the floor. All the objects on my desk are a subset of a big group of iron-made objects. All things on the desk are included in a big group of useful things. And let's say that the things on the floor are not part of the useful group. It would be valid to include a group of useless things, but always take in mind the context. We choose leave outside because already using the useful group. Now let's discuss some set operations. A union of sets is the combination of all elements. It is said that a union set elements can be from a set or another set, and remember the OR operator. And the intersection set is composed by the elements who exist in a set and in the other sets at the same time. Remember the AND operator. Let's suppose that we have two sets, A and B, and the intersection between these sets is the empty set. That means that they two don't have common elements. So about this, select the right answer, 1 or 2. You guessed right, these two are disjoint sets because does not have common elements, and the condition to prove this rely on the empty set intersection. The set complement is composed by everything on the universe not inside the set. In this example universe, the A complement is every element not inside A and is represented by a single quote. The difference between two sets is composed by the first set element without the second set element. In this case is all the A elements without the E that is common in both sets. Some weird people like to refer the difference as A/B, but that is up to you. Let's get some hands-on practice. In a universe U composed by the union of all these four sets, we have some tasks. First, find the complement for every set, and second, find the differences. Then, having the differences, we must find the symmetrical difference between A and B, denoted by this expression. To simplify things, let's find the entire universe composed by the union of all sets. Having all the universe elements, find the A complement. And that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything that is not in set A. Now let's find the B complement. One, 2, 8, 9. Everything that is not in set B. Now the C set complement. That is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last, the E set complement. One, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Everything that is not in set E. the difference between A and B. Remember, all the A set elements without the B set elements. Now the difference between B and A. The difference between A and C. The difference between C and A. Finally, having all the differences, we find the symmetrical difference, composed by the union of these two differences. With this practice, this is all for today's video. Thank you very much everybody for watching our video, and see you on the next time.